Okay. Come on. Come on, Gigi. Hey, you don't want to come? Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Pop a bottle with her. Pop a bottle.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I know, I always get out over.
What, baby?
You'll like it, but because of the whole modern phone,
You good?
Okay.
Oh.
I wish somebody would have told me. It's just like, it's clear to
I'm in your spot.
Well, we don't understand. If I really want to go to medical school, save enough money to pay for medical school.
You want to tell him something? You want to tell him something?
Hey guys. So I just chilling. I really changed because Mom, I just have a hole under it.
And I mean, honestly.
And she just got it today, so I don't know how it had a hole in it.
Because I keep stretching my legs.
Really? Oh, wow. She kept doing like this little butterfly move. And she came to me talking about she had a hole in her.
Mommy!
It's okay. Her Mimi knows how to sew, so.
You're learning now, you're still young. The whole key is to know
Birthday girl. Oh, you got something in your mouth. Okay. All right.
It's delicious fish that Chef Spencer prepared. Excuse me. I have a little alcohol.
Oh my
Like, oh, delicious. Just absolutely wonderful. I have enjoyed myself. The food, the chef, my family, my friends. We have had an absolutely wonderful time. Prepared by my daughter, yours truly. Right there, yes.
about to hop in there.
It's going on YouTube.
YouTube, keep it down.
It's going on YouTube because why not?
Hey,
Why not?
Hey, what up, y'all?
Why not?
Over here representing Miss Renee.
Because why not?
Birthday.
This is Tina, my friend. My Shirley. My sis.
Yeah.
My girl. And last but not least, my Linda. Oh, yes. Love you. You too, you know that. Yeah.
Okay. Are we singing happy birthday? Okay. You ready? Let's go. Oh. Can we use a plastic knife? Thank you, Amazon.
Oh, wow. Thank you, everybody.
Angela, come over here, baby.
Get the shirt right now.
You're getting a little excited.
Okay. Let me. Alright, just let me know.
I don't know who more cake. I want
Yes, darling.
You want cake?
It's supposed to be me too. That's why I said I needed that picture with you.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got 14. Grab 14.
It's a pleasure. Okay. That's, okay, I like it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No, do you want cake, Mom?
Yes, I got one here, okay?
Oh, okay.
Our chef right here, looking up for us.
Alright.
Introduce Chef Man.
Yeah, how y'all doing? I'm Chef Spencer, Spencer Flavors Catering, right here in Savannah, Georgia. We out here celebrating a wonderful birthday with a beautiful young lady. Hey, if y'all need a great caterer, y'all reach out to Spencer Flavors Catering. I'm on Instagram and on Facebook, the same business name, so you can reach me. It's your boy Chef Spencer.
Alright, appreciate it. Hey, it was great. 3 plates. I'm feeling great. 3 plates right now, yo. Yeah. 3 plates.
I ain't pay for these kind of reviews.
That's right.
3 plates of food.
3 plates.
Something was good.
100% true. 100% true. Yes, it was. Great. Great. All right. Cool. Oh, okay. We got a little serving right here. Y'all want me to get this serving? How much y'all want me to get? All right. Oh, snap. Go ahead. Hold on. Let me back up. Yeah. Oh, ain't that so sweet? Oh.
Yeah.
Jessica, feed me some cake. No. All right. She didn't hear me. They're talking. All right. Uh-oh, you might have stayed down there for like 5 minutes. He about to eat all that cake.
I got the Megan needs.
Megan needs.
All right, y'all. So that's a wrap. Okay, the party's a wrap. It's what, 11 o'clock. We're now getting ready for bed. Everyone's gone. It's a wrap. We had such an awesome time. Sorry, y'all. Sorry, y'all. I'm about to watch some TV. I'm actually about to shower, watch some TV, and then Benito is over with. surprise party was a hit. My mom did not know anything that was going on, even though I thought I was like, someone else slipped up and told her. But yeah, it was good. My dress was cute. Again, another Shein. Like my last video, that dress, that green dress, this is another Shein dress. And I love the sleeves, so this was a hit. I don't know how much footage I got, but I think I got some. So yeah, I'll see y'all. We may be going to the beach tomorrow, maybe. If so, I'll get to my clips. If not, this is it, and I'll do an outro. So thanks for watching. Oh, good morning, my loves. Welcome to Sunday morning. It's the next day after the party, and I forgot my makeup wipes, y'all, so that's why my makeup a little smear. But anyways, we have everything packed up. We're gonna get ready to go, and here comes your little friend.
Hello. Good morning, YouTubers. We just got up. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell them what we're about to do today?
Today we're going to the beach today. And we had to go to our house. And Angela go with her mom. And we go prepare baby suit, get all her stuff, and go to the beach.
Yeah. So, like I said, I think I told y'all yesterday, I told her that we would probably go to the beach today, and now it's for sure going. So we're gonna go home, get our bathing suits and things, and then we'll head out to the Hilton Head Beach.
My favorite beach.
And yeah, spend a couple hours there, not all day because it is Sunday, and y'all know what that means. It's time to get ready for the work week. Food, I don't know if I showed y'all what I ate, but I had like baked chicken, I had fried flounder, I had yellow rice, I had broccoli, I had some asparagus, cupcakes, a little bit of cake. Like, I was eating, okay? And I woke up this morning and I had some of that for breakfast, not gonna lie. But, you know, I'm okay. Like, I'm sorry, y'all. There's something like itching my face. I really need to wash it, so anyways, that's why I'm scratching. But
And
what was I saying? I lost what I was saying.
Okay.
Oh, I was telling y'all all the goodies I ate, and that, of course, definitely all that rice. Oh, I had bread too. I did have some salad, so ooh, there we go. But you know, cake and all that stuff, definitely not in my diet style, healthy eating, whatever, weight loss journey. But it was a celebration. I'm gonna celebrate, okay? And then I'm gonna get right back on track, because I said today, you know, Sunday, whatever, we're gonna eat, you know, I'm gonna eat leftovers because I paid for it, okay? And and then tomorrow, you know, for the week, we'll start back right. But I'm still feeling good. I went for a mile run yesterday. I think I let y'all know, but my mom was going 50 miles per hour yesterday because I was trying to get that surprise right for my mom. So I don't know if I told y'all, but I did go for a run yesterday. I did a mile, and I haven't ran in months, and it felt great. I was not tired. Well, you know, the usual tired, but I wasn't like about to pass out and die. So yeah, that felt good. Were you about to say something, Libby?
so we went to TJ Maxx. I got my new clothes, and I got my baby suit because I'm ready to turn 7 because I'm not 6 anymore. So I need a new baby suit because my little green baby suit is not better fit, baby. But I got my new baby suit and new shorts.
Oh my god.
Mommy.
Let's count how many times she's said in the bathing suit. Did you tell your Mimi about the hole in your new outfit? No?
Yeah, Mama.
You told her about the hole in it?
Yes, ma'am.
What'd she say?
He said, well, I would fix it, but baby Nada, she would go to TJ Maxx to get a new one, baby.
Okay, yeah. So she got a new outfit at TJ Maxx with her Mimi yesterday, and she got a hole in it yesterday, And why did you say you got a hole in it?
Because I keep stretching because my legs are restricted.
Yeah, because she was stretching her
I'm
legs.
trying to
so
get
she
on
got
the chair.
a hole in it.
I'm trying to get on
Like,
the
wow. But yeah. All right, that's it, y'all. I'm gonna stop rambling and
we will get you. Will we go to the beach? Oh, girl, I will get you.
All right, we'll see y'all at the beach.
Bye. We see you at the beach.
My legs are so sore. Funny.
Hey guys, we're at the beach, but we're not. We're getting our stuff. So yeah, we're trying to get everything in the car. We just put these. Oh no!
Toys.
And the beach bag.
Yeah, you hold it. Beach bag. Oh, we don't need this anymore. This pier is not coming. Hey y'all, we made it to the beach. We're on Hilton Head Island, so the Hilton Head Beach. This is my baby girl getting her toys together. She's already been in the water. How did it feel?
A little cold was when I get it's warm now.
Yeah, your body got used to it.
And I always want to ask my mom what she want to get in the water. I just want my mom in the water.
So usually on our beach trips, I get one time in the water. It just depends. Usually it's just one time because as I got older, I like to just relax. I like to sit out in the sun, let the heat pound on me, get a tan, and just relax. I don't care too much about being in the water. I like to look at it, I like the sound of it, and that's about it. But I will get in the water with her before we leave the beach today. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
So,
Come
yeah.
on, gal,
Yeah,
let's go.
She has her toys. What's today? March something.
No,
March 6th.
it was March.
The beginning of March, and we're at the beach. Yeah, and we're at the beach.
Come on, y'all. You want to get in the water with us? Yeah? No. Yeah? Come on, Mama.
So I guess she wants me to go to the water now.
You want to come too? Come on.
Okay, let me get my shoes off. All right, y'all, we're going to the water. Hold the people for me real quick.
I'm holding y'all. All right, guys. I got my toys and I got my mama.
I feel like I need my phone in case you're... Yeah. I'm gonna bring it. Oh, you got it? You want me to hold it?
You hold it.
I'm gonna get you walking to the beach.
Yeah, and use it.
Huh?
I mean, you.
I wanted to get you walking to the beach.
No, Mama, you better go in and get in the water.
Oh, no, I'm talking about on camera. Go ahead.
Okay, guys. And just like my mama's gonna get in the deep water.
What?
Yeah, she's gonna get in the deep water.
I don't know about that.
Yes, you had to, Mama.
Whatever.
I'll
I'm about to go right here. I feel like it's gonna be cold.
No.
Oh.
Mom.
What?
Don't be nervous.
kick it at me. No. It's too cold. It's too cold. I can't.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Alright, y'all, so we left the beach. We're at Hickory Tavern now. It was just like 12 minutes from the beach, so we're getting ready to go in. It's like a sports bar. I see some man like it looks like playing music outside, so we'll see what it's about. Alright. Okay, y'all, so I got a mango habanero margarita. I'm about to try it for the first time.
Tastes good?
Oh my god, that's weird.
It tastes weird?
What does it taste like? You try it. Let me see. It has like the spicy. It's like that mango, but it's spicy.
Yeah, this is weird.
It's weird. Yeah.
I like it.
Okay, I'm try yours.
Okay.
Make sure it's got the watermelon. Alright, yeah. Oh, I keep getting watermelon stuck in. Okay.
That's different. I like that. Do you like that?
I do. Thank you. Waiting for the food.
Waiting for the food.
There you go. I don't know if you're supposed to break it. We got chopsticks, y'all, for our pow pow shrimp. Are you supposed to break the chopsticks? I don't think so.
I almost got it.
Yeah, because sometimes they come separate though. Like okay. So this is our pow pow shrimp, and it's like it has broccoli too. Almost, baby. You almost had it.
Hold on. Just had to get this straight.
Yay! So that's broccoli.
Broccoli.
Yeah. Ooh, she put the whole thing in there.
Yum, Leah. It looks good.
It's good.
It's a little hot.
Oh, there's music. I probably can't even record this, but this I got the Diablo burger with a veggie patty. It looks good. Look at a little bit of fries, but I don't need that many. And of course, Livy got her usual cheeseburger fries. Alright, we're gonna dig in.
So I can't even. It's how I'm about to fall. When I lean back, it's how I'm gonna fall. Wait, I can jump out.
Oh!
Mommy acting weird. She's out of control.
Okay, y'all. We are back from eating.
Download is starting.
Yeah, I gotta get that fixed for my Bluetooth. Yeah, I'm looking crazy. We are back from eating at the Hickory Tavern. How did you like your food?
Good.
So she just had a cheeseburger with french fries and what?
Oh, I would get 10 out of...
A 10 out of 10?
No, a 10 to eating.
Okay. So we just got done eating at Hickory Tavern, like I just said. She had a cheeseburger and french fries. I had to send them back, her burger back, because her burger was not well done. There was still blood leaking out of it. So anyways, I had to send that back. It finally came. We were like done eating by the time it came, but she was eating my french fries.
Yeah.
I got y'all saw I got the Pow Pow shrimp, which was pretty good. Oh, my lighting just went away. Which was pretty good. It had shrimp and broccoli and sesame seeds. And then, come on, I feel like, okay, there we go. I feel like I was blurry this whole time. Can I turn this light on? Okay, anyways. And then for my burger, I got a Diablo burger. But I did a veggie patty, which their veggie patties are mushy, which I don't like. And then it had jalapenos and fried onions on it, which is like the tiny fried onions. It was okay. I rated I would say a 6 out of 10. What, Lil? You just want to laugh?
No, I'm laughing at me.
A 6 out of 10. And I had way too many french fries. They had like the steak french fries, so I ate mine, ate Livy's. You know, they were good. So I had way too many french fries. I'm ready to get back eating good. No, I'm ready to get back eating good this week. So tomorrow I'm just gonna have a salad for lunch, and yeah, I'm gonna keep it light, keep it cool, collective. I'm ready to work out. I got some new weights. I got some little like resistant bands, so I'm happy about that. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for subscribing, because I know you just hit that subscribe button, right? Okay, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking and hitting that thumbs up, because we're still trying to grow this channel. I'm still trying to give you hits after hits after hits, because this is my life. This is what I do. I'm on a weight loss journey, but I'm also living my life. So when y'all see me eating good, you know, you can say something if you want, but I'm just gonna tell you, like, I'm still living my life. So yeah, I've been meal prepping and doing great, but when there's a celebration like my mama's birthday, and this is like today, we went to the beach and I was hungry. Y'all know y'all be hungry after being at the beach. I'm gonna eat, but I'm also not gonna fall off the wagon, because I'm ready to work out and eat my salad. Okay, anyways, we need to head out, y'all. We have an hour drive. What, baby?
I'm sorry, but
What you say it so we can get out of this parking lot?
I got
Okay, say it on the next video. Go ahead.
Are y'all getting subscribed? I think they hit the like button.
They need to. If they not,
I don't know.
tell them to.
Are y'all put the thumbs up, or you put the thumbs down? Don't put the thumbs down. Because our videos are good.
Right.
Except for you.
Yeah, we about to go.
Bye.
But thanks for watching, y'all. Subscribe, like she said, like, hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.